Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming parts and safety. Fingerprint sensor, Arduino board, stable 5V supply, and jumper wires. Now wire the sensor. VCC to 5V, GND to Arduino GND, sensor TX to Arduino RX, sensor RX to Arduino TX. Once done, add a small 0. 1 microfarad decoupling capacitor across VCC and GND to smooth spikes. Make sure the module gets power before you proceed to code upload, so the boot state is stable and communication will work. Next, install the appropriate fingerprint library in the Arduino IDE. A DAFroot or the vendor library works depending on module. Open the example enrollment sketch and set the software serial or hardware serial pins to match your wiring, plus the module baud rate, commonly 57,600. Upload the sketch, open the serial monitor, and follow prompts to enroll a fingerprint. Press finger for 2 captures so templates match. Once saved with an ID, the module will return confirmation. This is how the module recognizes templates later. Now run the identification sketch and present a registered finger to the sensor. Watch the serial output for match ID and confidence score so you verify recognition. Once it reliably identifies prints, secure the sensor into an enclosure and fasten connectors to avoid intermittent contact. Keep it away from direct sunlight and static. If it fails, first recheck TX/RX and common ground, confirm baud rate and library match the module, and try powering the module from a separate 5V supply. Many errors stem from wiring or.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.